Hey everyone, welcome to JJ Hidden Objects. Today I'm going to show you how to find a specific level or scene where you are stuck or won with a padlock in June's journey. First, take a screenshot of your screen, either the full board or just the padlock black and white screen. Make sure to crop the image so that only the padlock area is visible. Avoid including anything like scene 03. Just focus on the part with the padlock. If you have already played some levels, you can also upload the full board image. Now open your browser, Chrome or Safari and go to find.june.ovh. The site might appear unpolished, but no worries, you can translate it into your language easily. You will see two options, full board and padlock. If you are uploading the crop padlock image, click padlock. If it's the full board, click full board. Then choose your file, upload the screenshot and hit search. You will now get the volume, chapter and scene number of the exact level you need. Next, go to YouTube and search June's Journey Volume 1 Chapter 11 Scene 52 JJ Hidden Objects or whatever your result is. You will find a walkthrough video for that exact level. For more tips, walkthroughs and exclusive live videos, make sure to subscribe to JJ Hidden Object and also join the membership, as I'm going to upload the live videos of tricks and tips daily on the for the members only. Now, like, share, and turn on the notification bell for updates. Thanks for watching and happy hunting. Frequent questions I am asked is how to cope up with your speed as you are playing so fast. I play at very minimal speed and also slow it down in my editing section, but still you don't able to cope up. So let's have one more trick for it. After searching the video, then go to the setting option, which has a gear shape icon in androids and three dots in Apple phone. So click on that, reduce the playback speed. There is an option playback speed. You can reduce as well as you can increase also. So if you feel the video is very slow, go increase the video. If you feel the video is very fast, reduce the speed, and then you will get the desired speed of yours and you will be able to enjoy it fully and able to learn correctly. So now don't get fussy and just search everything on JJ Hidden Object, and don't forget to subscribe also and comment down if you find this video useful. Hope you have a great week ahead.